Yeah, in my mouth I taste blood. I hate the fact that I don't know what's wrong with me. Try to run but my demons always follow me. Can't connect with anybody and it bothers me. Like I don't wanna live no more. I don't wanna live no more. Can you take me away? Please Lord, take me away. No, no, no. Yeah, save me from myself, save me from the pain. Ever since I got all of this wealth, shit ain't been the same. Man, I'm fucking sick of this, I'm sick of fucking living. Affluenza in my system, got nobody that can listen, so I'm sitting by myself. Every day I try to cope with all these thoughts. Face numb, stressed out, anxious and I'm lost. And you know it's really kinda hard to breathe sometimes. Swear it's even hard to be sometimes. Like, I don't wanna live no more. I don't wanna live no more. Can you take me away? Please Lord, take me away. No.